Um, fuck, I wanted to draw a picture or something because I'm bored and I have like a few minutes before my next class starts. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw 2 circles and then I'm gonna see what happens next. No, I don't want that line. Anyway, no music because I want to get real up close and personal if I'm honest. And I want you to hear just how nasally I sound constantly. It's like a disease. It's the worst thing ever. But anyway, scribbling. I love I love recording videos when I sound the worst. It's wonderful. God. Hello, Discord notification. Wonderful. Okay, well, I should have probably dealt with that before I started recording, but no. It's fine. It's okay. No. That's not what I want. Suddenly art is hard. Sniffles into the mic because I suck and I'm also disgusting and I'm gross. When, holy shit, please. Please. No. Close enough, I guess. Oh shit. Very cool. I have a long gay hair because I suck, so let's make this longer, baby. Poggers. Okay, bye.